But we want to know your thoughts lang because it's been on social media. What are your thoughts on the MGI All-Stars?
Isip ko na siya. Thoughts ko? Nasa thoughts ko na siya. Hindi ko nga lang i-share nyo. Grabe naman. Teka, ano kasi kinikilig ko. Ano ba? Graduate na siguro. Auntie na ako. Ano ba yan? Bakit yung may naisip na kailangan sumali? Pre, ang tagal ko nag-graduate sa pageantry. Kita ko na lang ang budget. Ang mahal ng pageantry. But I'm really glad to see that they actually raised the age limit, di ba? Mas marami ng kababaihan yung mga may what ifs at the back of their head to try. But as for me, we are working on some pageants as well. So I'm not sure if I will have time next year kasi it's on time din eh. Early next year din namin work on yung Mr. Grand International that I'm a part of. So I am not sure actually kung kaya ko pa ba magmanananggal, hatiin yung katawan ko sa mga iba't ibang schedule sa buhay natin. But whatever happens, I don't know. I know that the pageant world and Kumaris will always be there to support. Yes.
I'm sure they're gonna support you either way.
Or at least also.
That's all the questions that we have right now, and I know a lot of our guests here are excited to meet you.